Hey everyone, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and for today we have part 4 of our Incredible Hulk Funko Pop collection. So here we go guys with the part 4 of our Incredible Hulk Funko Pop collection. We have here Bruce Banner from the Avengers Infinity War number 419 right here. Perfect. And of course the Incredible Hulk from the Avengers Age of Ultron. This is the 2015 Pop Asia Funko exclusive number 68 right there. Okay, so this right here is our Bruce Banner Funko Pop figure from the Avengers Infinity Wars number 419 right here. So on the movie, you would remember that there was a point where Bruce Banner could not transform into the Hulk. This is right after he briefly fought with Thanos in space. Then when Bruce Banner went back to Earth, he is not able to transform into Hulk no more. So this figure right here depicts that particular scene in the Avengers Infinity Wars movie. So as you can see right here, this is Bruce Banner wearing his coat and tie right here with the sneakers. There's green underneath the head right there and some parts of the hands right here. So that's because, as I mentioned earlier, he is not able to transform into the Wanda, or as we know it, Scarlet Witch, right? The part of the movie being depicted by this figure right here is when Hulk got possessed and turned on the actual Avengers, which she was fighting along with. So as you can see on the figure, this is somewhat light green in color, not the green one that we are used to. It has raging red eyes right here, and of course still the sculpted body right here, because this is the Incredible Hulk still, and the trademark purple shorts. So from the side, that's how it looks like, and it's also a bobblehead figure right here. The other side and on the back, this is not the normal green shade that we see Hulk, because this one is depicting, as I mentioned, him being possessed and under the control of Wanda or Scarlet Witch. So again, this is the Raging Incredible Hulk from the Age of Ultron 2015 Pop Asia Funko exclusive, number 68, right here.
Perfect.
So there you go guys, with our quick unboxing and review of these Incredible Hulk Funko Pop figures right here. Our part 4 for our Incredible Hulk collection right here. Hope you like our content for today and thank you for watching our video. So which Funko Pop figure do you have in your collection? Please share with us guys and comment it down below. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Click the notification bell. This is Abner's Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.